Hi everyone, and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal fufu. All right, let's get started. So in here is my 250 gram of oats. I'm going to start by grinding it till it is very smooth. I'm going to use my blender. I decided to use this blender size. Yes, I'm going to blend it 2 times. And as you can see, I also blend it dried. You can also use your water, like add water to it when blending, okay? Whichever way is fine, but I decided to use this method. So as you can see, I have finished blending. So in my pot, my water has finished boiling. Now I'm going to add my oats to it. I'm going to make sure I add everything first, and then I'll start turning it. As you can see, I'm going to be turning it. And guys, remember also that oatmeal is very healthy. It is rich in fiber, it prevents diabetes, it's rich in protein, it promotes weight loss. Yes, for those of you that want to lose weight, I really recommend oatmeal fufu. And it also boosts the immune system, it prevents cancer, it boosts energy, it lowers the cholesterol. Guys, it's just awesome, like what oatmeal fufu does for the body. So right about now, I added some water, a little amount of water, to let it cook for like 5 to 8 minutes. Yes, right now I'm going to turn it a little and then add a little more water, okay, so that it will cook very well. It is very important to put your fire on a low heat so that it won't burn and it will cook very well. Yes, so as you can see, it has been cooking for 5 to 8 minutes. So now I'm going to make sure I stir carefully, like turn carefully, so that it will not have lumps or anything. As you can also see, the color has changed already. That means the fufu is ready. So that's it, guys. That's how I prepared this healthy oatmeal fufu. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share the video. And please also follow me on all my social media platform with the name Mama Triple N. Yeah, so now it's time for me to eat, like to taste the oatmeal fufu, guys. Let me show you how it looks like in the hand. It is very soft. It has a starch, and guys, it's just amazing. Give it a try and you will love it. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.